Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be doing a set of acrylic nails, so if that's something you'd like to see, stay tuned. I start by using the Mia Secret dehydrator and I apply a layer of that to each nail. Next, I apply a layer of the Mia Secret primer to each nail. Today, I'm using Modelones acrylic powder, acrylic liquid, and the Pana No. 12 Kolinsky brush. I pick up a small bead of acrylic and place it in the center of my nail. Then I gently pat and push the acrylic in place. I feather the acrylic down the nail towards the tip, and I make sure that I constantly clean my brush. Once I get the acrylic as smooth as possible, I go ahead and apply another bead of acrylic right under where I placed the first one. And as you can see, this bead was a little too big, so I'll go ahead and remove the excess. I keep patting and pushing the acrylic in place and continue to feather it down the tip of the nail. Next, I apply another bead of acrylic closer towards the cuticle area. Now this bead was also a little too big, so I go ahead and wipe off the excess, and then I gently push the acrylic back closer towards the cuticle area. I make sure that I continuously clean my brush and get up any excess acrylic so it is not actually on my cuticle before I go ahead and feather that acrylic down. Now, please keep in mind I'm not a professional. I just like to do my nails at home, so I don't have the smooth application down pat as of yet. However, I am working on it and I do see progress in my work. Okay, so I go ahead and apply the last bead of acrylic, and this is just because there is a dent in the nail at that part, so I went ahead and fill that in before moving on to the next nail. And I'll go ahead and repeat these steps on all of the nails, so I'll just let you all watch and enjoy. these are how the nails look once all the acrylic has dried. And these are how the nail looks once they have been filed, shaped, and buffed. I apply a layer of the Beetles top coat to each nail. Then I'll be using Beetles gel polish in this alpha detail brush to go ahead with my design. Now this design I pretty much was freestyling. I wanted to go for an abstract look with different colors. So I'll just let you all watch and see how that turned out. Okay, and this is how the nails turned out. They're super cute. I love the bright colors. I do love the abstract in the design, and I think they're perfect nail for summer. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.